Hi everyone, welcome back to the foundation level course on Unix and Linux. In this video, I will discuss how to stop a server, how to start a server and how to check log files. These are the things I want to discuss today. Let me go to my putty and show you how it works. Right now my application is running. And this is my application, and for security purpose I'm hiding the URL, and this is running on Tomcat server on the Linux box. Now let's say I want to shut down this application. Let me go to the Tomcat web server where my application is deployed, and this is my Tomcat folder. And now if I give ls-ltr, it shows list of files, and this is bin. So within the bin directory, shell scripts that are used to start and stop servers are located. And if I give cd bin and ls-ltr again, I have two scripts here, shutdown map.sh and start map.sh. So my application's name is map, so we named it that way, and script name can be different, so it depends upon the application. So you might have to work with your team or Linux admin regarding that. So now let's shut down this application. So for that I would just execute this script /shutdown map.sh, enter. Now if I go to my application and refresh, it shouldn't work and it should throw an error. It says unable to connect. Now let me go and start my server. So for that I would execute /start map.sh, enter. So server is starting now and it might take few seconds to start. Let me go to the log folder to check the status of the server. So we usually use log files to check root cause analysis. Now I'm in the logs directory. So the latest logs are stored in catalina.out. By default it is stored here. So as I was telling, depending upon the application, log file name can be anything else. There is another file here called creditsvc.log. So this log file contains logs related to credit services functionality. Now let me tail catalina.out to see the current status of the web server. Code is being deployed to start the server here. And it may take few seconds. And finally it says server startup in 62,700 milliseconds. Now let me go to my application, and if I refresh, I should be able to see my application. So usually we may have to stop the server or start the server if the system is hung and it is not responding, or if you deploy a new build. So this is how we check log files, start the server and stop the server. In my next video, I will talk about interview questions and resume preparation. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I appreciate your feedback.